CapperPacks is overseas sales brand to Shantou Penghui Machinery Co Limited. Founded in 2010, it is located in Shantou, one of China's earliest opening ports for manufacture and exports. We are specialized in planning, developing and manufacturing machines and complete lines for the fields of process, filling and packaging technology. Since its establishment, the CapperPacks team, committed to the values of truth, innovation, and quality, has successfully developed a series of quantitative filling and packaging machines and lines widely used in food, medicine, and other industries. Our complete solutions covers automatic bottle feeding, material lifting and conveying, material quantitative, rotary vibration filling, automatic aluminum foil sealing, automatic cap fitting capping, finished product delivery, labeling and other production process. The innovative R&D workforce, advanced manufacturing technology, and rich practical experience enable CapperPacks to offer each customer with one-stop customized solution from program design, manufacturing, installation, technical training to life cycle service. Solutions beyond automation. As a complete solution provider, CapperPacks offers not only full automatic production lines, but also integrating digital systems to smart up your production.